News at noon.
Well, it's a bright, sunshiny day, another beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Gorgeous out there. As long as you like a little bit of heat. We'll take it, though. I don't mind. It's summertime after all.
Go jump in a pool.
Absolutely. Here's a look at the skies right now. Just a few fair weather cumulus clouds and bright blue sky there peeking through. 91 is the current temperature. Winds out of the west. You may think cooling things down at about 11 miles per hour, but not necessarily the case. It feels more like 98 with that dew point in the lower 70s. It is going to be a steamy afternoon. Heat advisories in place for North Alabama, including Coleman County. Now, let me point this out. Heat advisory, there's nothing magical about county lines. That doesn't necessarily mean the heat stops as it moves into Blount County or Etowah County. But what we're noticing is this is where the heat will be most intense, is in North Alabama today. Feels like factors there about 105 degrees. Let's see what our feels like factor is. Okay, we have to start with our air temperatures, which right now ranging anywhere between the mid to upper 80s and lower 90s. 90 in Coleman, 91 in Birmingham, 80s in East Alabama, pair of 8s in Anniston, same with Talladega. Okay, now you take your air temperature and you couple that with your dew point temperature. Our dew points are primarily in the 70s or getting very close to that. So when we look on our sticky factor scale, now we're reaching into the oppressive territory. So when you take your air temperature and your dew point temperatures, that's how you get your feels like temperatures. Look at this. Tuscaloosa feels like 99 right now. Pell City feels like 99. It feels like 97 in Anniston. I think our feels like temperatures across the board will be in the low 100s today, anywhere between 100 to maybe 103, 104, but it's going to barely miss that criteria for heat advisories being issued for central Alabama. That said, it doesn't necessarily mean, oh, it only feels like 103, not 105. It's not that hot. Okay, it's going to be hot anywhere you are. Temperatures in the mid 90s across the board today. Jasper 95, same with Anniston for your afternoon highs. Think it's hot today? Get ready. It's a scorcher tomorrow. 97, and I do foresee some heat advisories in place for our Saturday. A little break in the heat next week as an unsettled weather pattern moves in. It looks like we could have good coverage of rain Monday into Tuesday. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Jamie?